Think your competitor is cheating with fake reviews? Report them like a pro. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is actually find the product, right? And I already found one. This one's got fake reviews, okay? A lot of fake reviews. It's kind of hilarious. So it's purple toothpaste for teeth whitening, and they've got like 1,000 sales in the past month. And I'm like, this is crazy. Wow, this must really work, right? Wrong, okay? It's fake. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna see, this is not the purple toothpaste. It literally says, let's zoom in, right? Convenient lint roller. This is not a lint roller. This product works super well. It's showing like a lint roller. Always stays sticky. What? Great product. Love the lint roller, right? So many of these reviews are just completely fake, and all these pictures aren't even of the actual product. It's a lint roller, and it looks like a weird lint roller. But hey, we'll save that for another time. But there's so many fake reviews on this, it's just hilarious. Amazon hasn't caught it because we're not doing our due diligence and reporting them. So we do have to report them sometimes for Amazon to take initiative. And Amazon's making money off of these guys, so they're probably like, not a big deal. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to brandregistry.amazon.com. Once you're in brandregistry.amazon.com, it's gonna look something like this. Then you're gonna go to support, contact brand support. And then you're simply going to go to report a marketplace policy violation, product review violation, and this is where you can report them, okay? So all you have to do is describe the review policy violation. Here's Amazon's policies on reviews. So if you can mention something in this policy that it violates, that's going to help you, right? But it's super evident that they are totally breaking the policies. Like if anybody actually just goes down and sees that this is a lint roller, somebody hijacked the listing, changed all the images, changed all the text. So I'm using Grok to help me a lot of times, like be very, very concise. So we're gonna utilize Grok and we're gonna write out a little explanation on the policy violation. Okay, so pretty much I'm saying this product is I'm just using Grok. This product policy is violating Amazon's review policies. It says it's purple teeth whitening, but the reviews are saying great lint roller. It looks like someone hijacked the listing. And then I just copied all of Amazon's policies. So I just literally copied it. I'm like, yo, here's Amazon's policies. Now, and then I said, respond, say, describe the review policy violation. And then it answered. I just said, make sure it's more confident. And now we're gonna copy it. We're gonna copy what they're saying and we're gonna put it in here. Okay. So we're gonna say ASIN is violating Amazon's product review policies. Okay, they forbid sellers from manipulating reviews, demanding authenticity and customer feedback. So we're gonna put ASIN misrepresented. So you just kind of make this look a little bit better, and then it reviewed Amazon's policies and showcased which one it's is going. So you utilize AI to help you come up with an explanation, and then you're going to pretty much make it a little bit better, add the ASINs in, add some more Amazon verbiage, and then you're good to go. So make sure that, there you go. Swapped images, confirming the hijacked, okay. You can actually see that the item is purple teeth whitening. I'm going to put the URL, amazon.com/DP. But all the reviews say great lint roller. This item is not a lint roller, and you can see that the seller is violating Amazon's review policies. since the reviews do not reflect the item. Perfect. So there you go. And then we're going to provide the URL of each product review. So, I mean, this one's going to be easy again. And I know it does take a little bit of work, but if you have employees, you could kind of have somebody doing this full time. We've got somebody doing infringement full time, actually a few people on our team, and then you submit it, right? Once you submit it, my tips are going to be to follow up. So make sure that you are following up, because what's going to happen is it's going to go to a human, and they might be lazy and be like, I don't feel like doing this, and just mark it as done. So what we're going to do is you're going to follow up brand support case log. You're going to follow up, hey, any update on this, any update on this, because they are like right in front of your face violating Amazon's policies. And if you want to have a higher success rate, what you're going to do is actually purchase the product, right? So click add to cart, purchase the item, wait until it's delivered. Once it's delivered, copy that order ID and then report them. This is going to increase your success rate by around 90%. So that test buy does help by 90%. So definitely try it out. And of course you must follow up and then click send. And there's a high chance you will succeed in this. If you don't succeed, you can attempt to escalate the issue or contact Amazon again and try to get a different human that's willing to work with you. But that's it for today's video. If you successfully reported fake reviews on Amazon, tell us how it went and what results you saw. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer an infringement service where our dedicated team will manually audit all of your listings, make sure there's no hijackers, all of your competitors' listings, and get them kicked off. Not only do we focus on Amazon and every single country on Amazon, we also focus on eBay, Walmart, Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, Wish, Etsy, Google, and more. We get all of those competitors and counterfeits removed, so all the customers come back to you, and it increases your sales at the end of the day, because competitors do destroy businesses. It is what it is, especially if they're counterfeits, right? For complete brand protection, check out our infringement service. The link is right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.